Hello, my alien students. Hope everyone is doing well. So this is part two of the story. We did in part one the men's side, isn't it? We did the men's side. Yeah, we did the men. Okay, you can continue from here. Okay, I will do the ladies now. Okay, what I was telling in part one, I think I can close all of the other ones. So what you do is TW. Okay, and say ZA. Okay, I will close the remaining ones. Okay, what I'll do is now, in this case, in part two, we will put the plumbing forward because we can't go backside because it is mechanical room. Okay, they will not like to have plumbing piping in the what I mean. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll make it forward. In this case, we will require S trap. Okay, what is an S trap, John? What is an S trap and what is a P trap? Generally, okay, 99% of the time, this is a wall. Okay, I'm just giving this a wall. If it's not clear, I give you other color, yellow. I think yellow is better. Or red. Okay, listen, this is a wall. Okay, this is your water closet which you are sitting on it. Okay, water, it like this water. Okay, so if I need white, white. Okay, so let's say this is where you put your input, okay, or output, and then it goes. Yeah, if I want to make this is the wall. Okay, this is the wall I'm talking about. Let's say this is this wall is this line. Okay, I'm drawing section view. I'm looking from this side. Okay, so I'm sorry, I'm looking at it this way. Okay, let's suppose I want the pipe. This is the water closet. Okay, the same thing is this one. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, so come on, let's do one color. Okay, so if this is the output, you're entering the output for that. Okay, if I want the pipe, okay, to go to the wall like this, okay, like how we did in part one. That time I need a P trap. See, just I need a P trap. So the goes this and goes out. This is called P trap. It looks like P. If you say, John, I can't see, it looks like P. Just turn it. It looks like this. Sorry, this is not. Sorry, P is this. Sorry, this is not Arabic. Anyway, okay, this is P. I have to learn alphabets first. Anyway, so this is called P trap. But if I want uh, to be on the floor, ground, okay, so this is S trap. Okay, look like S, right? So output from here goes, and I need pipe, goes straight down. That's why I am recommending instead of wall mounted, make it floor mounted. Floor mounted generally come with S trap. Now, John, I can't see S. This is S, right? Yeah, this is P. Okay, so S trap is generally floor. So if you just turn this, he goes like this and goes down. P means you got the picture now. We're not going to go alphabets now. We are learning Revit. Okay, so I will do this here. Okay, anyway, so let's first load the family. I believe when I did the first part one, I saw a closet. I couldn't find see on wall mounted. I wanted a floor mounted. Okay, how do I get the floor mounted? So I need to go and get them, not get them from the shop. I need to load them. Okay, lavatory, not lavatory. We need water closets. So go to water closets, floor mounted. Okay, so good. And now you will see him. Habibi is come. Okay, public, public water. 6.1 liter, that's fine. I will say right click, Habibi, welcome, 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 welcome to the project, welcome. Khalas. He's not finding. Okay, good. And this one. Okay, this is a floor mounted one. Okay, I will align it. Thicker, thicker. Okay, so yeah, what we will do is I will just create one section view. I just create, sorry about that. Okay, I just create a section view here. So I say get to view, and maybe I create one more, create similar. Then flip, 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 flip down. Okay. So we can go to view, and here also go to view. John, if you have to select it to go to view, yeah, of course I need to select go to view. Okay. So this is the story. Here in level one. Oh, okay. We are in level one. WTZA, and where are we? We are here. We are here. Then you will understand now. See, when I click this, oh, this guy is also. So I should have changed the one. This is a see. This is a wall mount. Oh, come on, I needed a floor mounted. Anyway, luckily we didn't do the piping. Okay, listen. As I said, yeah, if you want, you can save the project. Okay, filter to delete. I need floor mounted. Create instance. I will have to speak to the architect regarding the difference in the model. We're not going to make story now with me. Okay, so let's see where is my story. Ah, beautiful. So this is the output. Draw a point. DWB, slope down. See, we can go down and straight. That is fine. No dramas whatsoever. Okay, I should have drawn. Listen, I show you one trick here. Okay, now sometime I can't select the my drawing. What I'll just do is I will go to Revit link saying thank you for coming. I will Wallahi, thank you for coming. So I can see my pipe. Draw point 100. My we need to go down. So yes, we need to go down. So let's say minus 300. Slope down 1% DWV. Everything looks perfectly fine. Slope down. Yes. Let's see. Beautiful. Okay. So this is the story. It's easy, you know. Let's go to this section view. Go to view. Oh, okay. He's seen. Sorry. Okay. Same story. Create similar. Slope up. I can just do it straight. 90-degree. If you want to Y45, then you need the slope. Right, we can do this. Instead of this story, okay, select the closet, connect into the sanitary. This one. Done. He will do it for you. Okay. This was a quick, easy one. Okay. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to show you. Message. Okay. I hope you learn something. Important is you learn something. Every day try to learn something. Let's say VG, Revit link, and architecture, isn't it? Okay. So maybe, not maybe, yeah, surely, maybe in the next class or something, we will start with the basin, wash basin. Okay. Yeah, wash basin. Anyway, I thought I just show you the tricks for in part one we did this one, we're behind the thing, and in part two we did. See, there is no harm doing this way. There's another method is just bringing it out, which is the same story. Okay, here we reduced just one fitting. That's it. Okay, if it is not clear, John, I would like to see one more here. Okay, what I'll do is I'll show you another view. I'm pressing tab key. My favorite section books. Section books, Habibi. Section books. خلاص. Oh, good. Okay, I don't want to see the architecture. خلاص يا عم. Oh, good. This is just to see why is it a red. No, it's perfect. What? Slow down. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful Basbousa class. Okay. You everyone take care of yourself. Keep moving forward. Okay. If you have any doubts or questions, message me. Let me know what's the story, and we move forward from there. Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay. Take care and just 1 minute. Okay. Anyway, everybody take care. We see each other in the next class. I hope you learned something today. That is important. Okay. So we had a small story discussion on how to draw plumbing fixtures. So yeah, that's the story for today. Take care. We keep moving forward, and yeah, in the next class we will finish the remaining part of the story if we can come to the remaining part. Yeah, this is the wash basin and whatever. Okay. So yeah, that's the story. Take care and see you then. Bye.